1, arm open on 2, port de bras to the side on 3, tongue ear circle front on 4, and 5. Okay? Port de bras front on 7, 8. And then you go break circle, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? After this, you go passe 5, and 6, 7, and 8. From our side. 1, and 2, 3, 4, up 5, brace 6, 7, and 8. Circle 1, 2, 3, plie on 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Arms stay here. Okay, just stay here. Finish it up. Yeah, make a bend in your arm a little bit more. I want to see a little bit more romantic. Yes? Okay, listen girls. This combination is simple, easy. Both sides. The main thing is non-stop. Don't stop anywhere. I want to see breathe from beginning to end. Okay? Small, make it very romantic. Port de bras side, tongue ear, slow, straight up. Break. Port de bras front, 7, 8. Break, 3 counts, your own circle. Plie on 4. Pass it away. Nice along leg. Use your tailbone, squeeze, arm down. Other side, 1, open. Tongue ear, circle port de bras. Slowly tongue your front, break. And port de bras front. Circle port de bras, break. And plie on 4. Passe. Along leg. And arm front.